In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Google Translate in Google Chrome Guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window. You should see the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. After you click the More icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look down the list until you see Settings, then click it. Now that you are in Settings, on the left side, there is a navigation panel with different categories. These categories help organize Chrome's options so you can find what you need more easily. On the left-hand navigation pane, click Languages. When you select Languages, the main area on the right side of the screen will update. Next, focus on the right side of the Settings page. Scroll down slowly until you see the Google Translate section. When you find the Google Translate section, look for the option labeled Use Google Translate. If this feature is turned on, Chrome may show translation prompts automatically when you open certain websites. To turn off Google Translate in Chrome, click the switch next to Use Google Translate. When the switch is turned off, it will move to the off position and usually turn gray. After changing the switch, there is usually no separate save button that you need to press. Chrome settings typically apply immediately, and that is all there is to it.